Hello and welcome. Kumusta ka natin mga Pagkusta viewers? So, ang reading na ito is about a communication. Merong mensahe sa inyo from the higher being, no? Either, ang Panginoon, siguro ito ay mensahe para sa inyo galing sa Panginoon mismo, anghel, spirit team, no? Or any beings na try to communicate with you. It could be fairies or whatever it is, no? Alamin natin, it could be star seeds. So, yeah, alamin natin kung ano ang mensahe nila para sa iyo or ano yung dapat mong malaman at this moment. Guys, this is a collective reading and general reading and timeless. So, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakaresonate. If it happened, this reading appears on your social media, meaning this is meant to find you and meant for you na malaman itong reading na ito. Alright? Hold on. Alamin natin kung ano yung mensahe para sa inyo. Hold on. All right. What is the message about? Spirit Angels, what is the message about for my collective? Okay. Saan ba yun? Right. What is the message about for my collective? What is the message about for my collective from the higher being? Okay. Kuha tayo ng 5. Okay, we have here love. Related sa inyong love reading. Offer. I don't know what kind of offer is that. Alamin natin mamaya. Okay, romance. Then again, love. Oh my God, love, love, love. Love reading, romance, and warning. So may warnings din sa inyo. Alright? Wag po tayong matakot kung anong warnings inyo. Iyon, instead, magpasalamat tayo para maging aware tayo in the near future kung ano yung mga warnings na magaganap, no? Kaya nga ito ay higher being, ay galing na mismo sa kanila itong mensaheng ito para sa inyo, mga kapatid. Alright, Spirit Angels, alamin natin kung tungkol saan. Hold on. Right. Spirit Angels, what about this warning? Ano tungkol sa warning na mensahe? Okay. Ano tungkol sa ating mga collective warning? What is this the warning about? Warnings. Page of Cups. This could be about an offer. Alright, Temperance. So guys, a warning, mag-ingat kayo sa mga chick boy, no? Or chick girl. Yung mga manggagamit dyan, kung ayaw nyo mabuntis, gumamit kayo ng mga panangga, baka may mabuntis dito, or baka may mangligaw sa inyo, yun pala ay mabubuntis ka, or gagamitin ka lang physically, ano, yung parang one night stand lang. So as a warning, wag kayong magpapikot, alright? At wag din kayong mamikot. Anyway, but again, guys, mag-ingat-ingat kayo para hindi naman makarma yung iba, no? Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw itong may plano na mamikot ng karelasyon, you might be receiving a karma. So guys, do not use any of those tricks, no? So again, as a warning, be careful about those people or someone na a trickery, no? Magiging sweetness overload, mangliligaw, magiging expressive sa inyo. It's just all lies, no? Like, sabihin natin, ang ganda-ganda mo, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, ang gusto lang pala niya is, dadalhin ka sa hotel, or, you know what I mean? It's just about sex. Alright? Kung ayaw mo ng sex, then this is, yeah, a warning ito sa inyo mga kapatid. So, mag-ingat-ingat, lalong-lalo na sa mga hindi seryoso sa inyo. So be aware, kung ang taong karelasyon ninyo or kadil ninyo na hindi seryoso sa inyo, make sure na 101% na seryoso itong taong ito kasi baka ikaw ay mabuntis. I'm hearing like mabuntis na naman. I don't know. I don't know who you are dealing with right now, but be careful. Kung ayaw mong mabuntis, then gumamit po kayo ng mga panangga, no? Like mga condoms, pills, or something like that. Or okay, so para po maiwasan na mabuntis kung ayaw mo mabuntis. And like again, warnings. Iwasan nyo rin mga kapatid na gumamit ng mga, I don't know, like, mga ritual para lang mabuntis. Guys, be careful. I don't know, it's a warning. Malakas dito yung parang bang gumagamit ng, siguro lumapit kayo sa mga manggagamot para magkaroon ng ritual. I don't know, there's a warning about it. Okay? So, be careful para hindi magkaroon ng consequences sa pagbubuntis. This could be also the reason kaya nagkaroon ng warning. And Page of Cups, like again, warning sa mga kababaihan dyan, or wala tayong gender dito, ano. Yeah. Warnings para sa inyo na huwag kayong magpapadala sa mga sinungaling, sa mga sweet talks, alright? Sa mga offer-offer dyan, na mahal kayo, na gato ganyan, because this person is, baka buntisin lang kayo, or may mga hidden agenda, or gagamitin ka lang. This could be the person na, a liar, sinungaling, chick boy, chick girl, something like that. So, warning. Ano pa, Spirit Guardians? What else for warning sa mga collective? Tell me more about this Page of Cups. Okay, King of Swords. So, this person could be magaling. Tuso ang taong ito. So, yeah, wag niyo pong hayaan ang taong ito ay, I don't know, like, tuturuan ka ng mga bagay na hindi dapat gawin. This person is like a teacher. So, yeah, decisive, cunning, scammer. So, be careful, no? Sa mga users, scammers, sinungaling. So, do not let this person na ma-scam ka, gamitin ka. Yeah, especially mga one night stand lang. Yeah, ikakama ka lang, gagamitin ka lang, no? Yeah. Okay. Make sure this person's treated you fairly. Pag ang taong ito ay misjudge you or napaka-judgmental, warning din yun sa inyo, no? So, be careful. Just be careful about these people na users, scammers. Yeah, baka mag-offer sa inyo na, sabihin natin, may offer ako sa'yo na, I don't know, negosyo, or magsinungaling, or, yeah, something like that na magsisinungaling, guys. You know what's best thing to do. Para hindi ka kakarmahin. Para hindi din, yeah, para iwas din na yun ang balik sa inyo. Okay, kasi meron dito tayo ditong judgment, karma. Kakarmahin ka, if you let this person to use you na I don't know, like, namang uto ng kapwa. So, you know what's best thing to do, and do not let this evil humans, evil people to harm the others. Para manggamit ng iba, manakit ng iba. Kasi meron dito na magsisinungaling, ano, itong tao ito sinungaling, and siguro nakita kanya na napaka-inosente, mabait, ito ganyan, mapagmahal. I'm getting like this person might gonna take advantage, no, mag-take advantage sa inyo. So, do not let anybody na mag-take advantage sa inyo, sa inyong kahirapan, sa inyong pagiging inosente. So, no. Say no to this person. Alright? It's okay to say no. Para iwas gulo, iwas karma. Alright? So, ano pa? What about the love, romance? Yeah. Spirit Guardians, what about the love? Ano itong message? What about this love? Tell me more about this love. Anong mensahe? Okay. 5 of Wands. Alright. People talk about your relationship. If you are in a good relationship, mga kapatid, no? Your friends, co-workers, colleague, family members, yeah, people talk about you, or your ancestors talking about you. Yeah. Okay, so it's like magandang mensahe dito, ano, sa love, romance reading about the relationship from your higher beings. Yeah, the higher beings, gods, goddesses, or angels, they talk about your love life, no? They want gusto nilang malaman mo na pinag-uusapan nila about your love story. Okay, alamin nga natin ano bang love story mo at bakit pa pinag-usapan nila. Just to let you know na it's like para bang pinagtutulungan nila na tinutulungan ka nila maybe to be with someone else na who is best for you. Just to let you know na deserve mo naman na magkaroon ng happy relationship, happy commitment, true love, finding your true love. Okay, so your angels, okay, your spirit team, higher beings, gods, yeah, they're talking about your relationship, na make sure, sinisigurado nila na protektado ka, protected ang iyong love life, protected ang iyong relationship, or kung sino man itong karelasyon mo, especially if you are married, they want to make sure that okay ang iyong karelasyon, okay kayo palagi. Tinutulungan kanila, they are guiding you and your partner together. Alright? So, you are being guided when it comes to your romance relationship. Alright? Ano pa? Kamusta ang iyong karelasyon ngayon? Why they are talking about you? Making plans. Like again, they are making plans about your romance. Siguro, when it comes to love life, if ever guys, if you are loveless, wala kang karelasyon ngayon, you might ask, feel free to ask. Magtanong kayo, humingi kayo ng tulong sa inyong, sa Panginoon, angel, your guardian angels, spirit animals, spirit team, they are there to guide you and helping you. Especially kung ito ang hinihiling mo, it's coming. Kung ikaw itong single, it's coming and they're working on it. Nakikita mo naman, pinag-uusapan nila, they make sure na you get what you deserve. Yeah. This, I don't know, this could be like I'm getting like fire energy. If you are, kung ikaw itong nagkaroon ng struggle sa karelasyon mo, again guys, whenever you have problems, feel free to reach out sa iyong mga spirit team, angel guides, no? Sa Panginoon, dahil ikaw ay bibigyan nila ng suporta, tulong. Kasi meron itong nagkakaroon ng struggle. Whenever you have any struggle, relationship, kasi siguro hinihiling mo tong relationship na struggle ka siguro ngayon, sabihin natin na single ka or nagkaroon ka ng struggle sa karelasyon mo, they are working on it. Whatever you ask, karelasyon, new person, whatever you ask about the relationship, they are working on it. Problema mo sa karelasyon o problema mo dahil wala kang karelasyon. They are working in it. They want what's best for you or who is best for you. You are being guided, lalong-lalo na sa iyong karelasyon. Okay? Kung masaya ka sa karelasyon mo ngayon, masaya din sila, nagpapalakpakan sila na makita kang maging masaya. Alright? So, 7 of Pentacles. Okay. 8 of Pentacles. Like again, guys, they are working on it when it comes to your love life relationship. Manalangin palagi, humingi ng tulong sa iyong spirit team, higher beings, Panginoon, the goddesses could be talking about you, your ancestors, they are working on it. So, it might take time. So, wag agad-agad, no? Pagkasabi natin na nagpipray ako sa aking mga spirit team or archangels na sana'y makilala ko ng aking the one, na sana ay ma-fix itong problema ko, whatever it is na hinihiling mo, they are working on it. So, wag lang tayong atat, wag lang tayong magalit. Hindi ka naman nila pinapabayaan. They got your message, they got your, nakuha nila yung hinihiling mong prayer. Andyan sila. They are working on it. It takes time, okay? Ano pa? That's good news, mga kapatid. They are working on it about your relationship. Okay. Ano pa to? May pahabol tayo dito. Page of Pentacles, the Hermit, 3 of Swords, and 3 of Wands. So yeah, guys, you could be, okay, meron dito sa inyo a communication of a new journey. You might be meeting a new person. It's coming. Okay? Kung ikaw ito ay nasaktan, guys, sabihin natin na you could be in a third-party situation, heartbreaks, whatever it is, let it go. Kasi kung not meant to be, not meant to be. Dahil merong darating para sa'yo. Lahat tayo ay may nakalaan na para sa atin kung sino iyon. Siguro yung mga karelasyon ninyo na na-experience niyo na hindi maganda is just part of your growth. Or siguro part ng inyong journey. But they are working on it. You will be meeting a new person. Meron itong may bago kang makilala. It's on the way. See, ito na nasa ano na siya, nasa may pintuan na. Meron pa ditong, siguro, pet lover tong taong ito, cat lover, dog lover. Yeah, this person have, malakas ang spirit team niya. So, yung spirit team ng taong ito ay darating na, well protected ang taong ito. Ikaw ay protektado ng iyong spirit guides, higher beings, and this person as well. Itong darating na love life, new person. Yeah. Okay? So, i-manifest nyo lang, kapatid, itong taong ito na darating. If you are manifesting a new lover, new relationship, it's coming. Alright? Huwag lang kayong mabahala dahil sa ngayon, siguro, bored pa kayo, huwag nyo lang madaliin. Because this person is on the way na. It just take time. Siguro, it's just part of your journey na masaktan. Because maybe whoever that you are in right now or from past experience is not meant to be. It's not meant for you. It's just part of your journey. But behind the scene, your knight in shining armor is coming. Itong taong magliligtas sa puso mo. Itong taong kukumpleto sa iyo ay darating na. Itong taong magbibigay lakas loob sa iyo, confident, magbuboost ang confident mo sa taong ito. Darating siya, siguro may motor ang taong ito, may vehicle, something about ang taong ito may vehicle, sasakyan, no? Matalino, may pagkaano pa to, siguro hindi pa secure yung finances niya, but then again, when this person is ready, okay? Ito na, pinag-uusapan na nila, sabihin natin na, may nakukuha kong channel message dito na, sabihin natin na pinag-uusapan ka ng mga the goddesses, spirit teams, archangels, ancestors, pinag-uusapan nila na ano na, okay na ba? Ipagtatagpo na kaya natin si collective sa ating candidate, the best person or the best match para sa ating collective, is something like that. When the time is ready, darating na ang taong ito. Alright? Yeah. Sorry guys, minsan it might take time, but then again, it's coming. Kailangan na talaga pagpapasensyahan nyo lang. And connect with the nature, mga kapatid. Siguro mamimit mo siya. Okay, sabihin natin, paano mo ba makilala ang taong ito? If you are loveless, hindi mo pa nakilala itong taong ito, or single ka, Spirit Energies, paano ba makilala ng ating mga collective ang taong ito? Ang the one and only. Paano or saan? Saan paraan? Paano makilala ang taong the one, soulmate nila? Okay, may page talaga tayo dito, ano? Page, justice, siguro married, meron sigurong married dito, baka itong married, or baka itong taong married pa. Siguro, kailangan pa lang talaga na maging single ang taong ito. Pagka ang taong itong single na, makikilala mo siya, siguro through communication or party, or sa, I don't know, abroad, long distance, may distance sa inyo dito, malayo pa. I'm also getting like this person is checking on you. Siguro I don't know, yeah, this person's watching you. May gusto sa iyo ang taong ito. Maybe, hindi mo lang alam. Yeah, ina-admire ka siguro ng taong ito secretively. Kaya lang, maybe committed ang taong ito. Either committed siya sa iba, or committed ka, or siguro busy lang siya, or somehow hindi pa siya ready. Okay. Ano pa? What else, Spirit Angels? Okay. Death. Yeah. Siguro, in a relationship ka pa. Either in a relationship ka pa ngayon, or maybe ang taong ito ay in a relationship pa. Or meron ditong nananahimik. Yeah. Maybe there's like a karmic cycle, or I don't know, twin flame, kasi nakuha ko yung fire energy. You might be dealing with a twin flame. Alright. Yeah, twin flame is not a really easy situation, ano. But then again, guys, your spirit team, the higher beings watching you, I'm sorry, soon, they will cut off these burdens, itong harang sa inyo. Whatever na harang ito, kung ano man itong harang na ito, tatanggalin nila iyan when both of you are ready. pag ready na kayo, kung okay ng inyong sitwasyon. Sa ngayon, siguro naka-block pa, hindi pa pwede. So, it's getting closer. It just make, kailangan lang talaga ng oras, oras, mag-meditate ka lang, focus ka na lang muna sa sarili mo, or siguro, sa finances mo. Like again, guys, more about yourself. The more na minamahal mo sarili mo, you will be attracting more about this love, romance. Okay? So that's the message for you from the higher being or your guides. Offer. What about this offer? Spirit, can you just, what is this offer message? Ano tong offer? Tungkol saan itong offer? Okay. Offer. This could be related sa love. Okay. Maybe mag-offer sa inyo na pakasalan ka. Yeah, dahil sa anak ninyo. Kung wala ka pang anak, mga kapatid, maybe it's time. Maybe this is the right time for you na magpakasal na kayo ng partner mo or mag-offer. Either may mag-offer sa iyo na magpapakasal dahil may anak na kayo, or siguro a sign na it's time to offer. Kung ikaw tong lalaki na nanonood, or whatever it is, no? Wala tayong gender dito. It's time to offer a stable relationship, marriage. Lalong-lalo na't kung may mga bata na anak, no? May mga bata na kayo, may mga anak na kayo, I'm sorry. Kung may mga anak na kayo sa taong ito, then it's time to offer. Siguro ikaw na muna ang mag-udyok or mag-start ng conversation na mag-level up na tayo, no? Magpakasal na tayo or something about like that na dapat maging stable na ang relationship ninyo, maging seryoso na kayo regarding din dito sa mga anak ninyo kung meron na kayong mga anak. Alright? Okay. So ano pa? Offer, 5 of Swords. Okay. Alamin natin kung ano tong 5 of Swords. Guys, baka may hihingi ng offer sa inyo para magpatulong. So guys, especially pagka may mga child abuse, feel free to offer yourself. Kung may nakilala kayong nagsa-child abuse, very abusive. Mahilig manakit ng mga bata, or mahilig manakit ng kapwa, mahilig manakit ng inosente. Offer yourself to help these innocent people. It doesn't have to be mga bata, siguro sa mga katrabaho, kung may manager kayo na napaka-abusive, then offer yourself to protect this victim, itong mga naging biktima. Whatever you can offer, then go ahead. Because the universe, the higher beings is with you. Andyan sila para suportahan ka. Huwag matakot. Or especially kung ikaw to police, official, or whatever you guys can do, offer yourself a help. Kasi meron dito nangangailangan ng tulong. Maybe this person's being abused. So do not let anybody to abuse this kind of people. Alright? Ano pa? Ace of Wands and Judgment. Again, guys, you deserve a good karma. The universe is offering you a good, something about like magbo-boost ang iyong confidence, a good karma about yourself, loving yourself, good health. The universe is offering you a good judgment, a good karma about yourself, your looks, your beauty. A lot of people will drawn to you. Marami magdo-drawn sa'yo, marami mag-admire sa'yo because you deserve this. Okay? You guys are glowing. Meron dito mag-glow up sa inyo. It's a part of offer. So, ino-offer ni universe na mag-glow up ka, na magbo-boost ang iyong something about your talent. It could be your talent. No? That's a good sign for you guys. A message from the universe na may mag-boost dito na talent. It could be sa social media, marami mag-admire sa'yo, marami makakapansin sa iyong pag-glow up, mapapansin ang iyong talent. I'm also getting like your voice. Someone is, meron to magiging angelic voice, no? It's from the universe, good karma or a good gift for you from the universe. You will be receiving a good karma. Because you guys are, siguro dahil nga, ikaw yung tao na matulungin, yeah, and protective. It's something about na whatever you do, helping the others, the innocent, the children, you're like a teacher, yeah, you are protecting your loved ones, and it's because of that, the universe is offering you a good karma. Alright? Whatever you ask, whatever the good karma, ibibigay ng universe yun, ito ay offer nila para sa iyo. Okay? So, amen mga kapatid. You deserve this. So, yes or no na tayo bago mag-end yung reading natin. So far, that's the message from the higher being communication for you mga kapatid. Alright? Message from the higher being, spirit team, spirit guides, spirit animals, ancestors, the gods, goddesses. Alright? Warnings. So, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga scammers, sa mga manipulative. Yeah. Alright, so ano pa? Love, romance, offer. So, yeah, good luck guys and God bless. And let's move on na. Yes or no? Ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Pause nyo muna yung video na ito and magtanong ng isang katanungan. And the answer will be yes or no. Okay, ready? Spirit guidance, just yes or no sa ating mga collective. Yes or no? So, we have here, yes, good news. So, again guys, this is also good news for you, ano? Yeah, okay. This message is a good news for you. A warnings, love, romance, and offer. So, you will be blessed so soon. Again, wag lang tayong mag-focus mga negatibong bagay. Always think about the future and the positivity. Yung mga positibong bagay. Para naman, para naman hindi magkaroon ng mga blockages, mga minamanifest ninyo. Alright? So, good news, swift news, letters, phone calls. Okay, word of mouth, fresh, cheerful, childlike, fun, playful, active, optimistic, full of energy, high, bright ideas, new exciting plans, creativity, lovable, wrong. So again guys, creativity, this is also an offer for you. You will be becoming more creative, ideas, makakatanggap ka ng mga ideas, mag-attract ka ng mga viewers. Alright, kung ikaw itong social media influence, yes, marami mag-admire sa iyo, marami magbo-boost pa ang iyong social media subscribers, no, mga followers mo, and everybody will be drawn to you, and you will be receiving soon, everybody here, a good karma. Alright, so continue what you guys are doing because the universe, the higher beings is there watching you. They saw what you are doing. Alright, so I love you guys, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito, and I'll see you guys in my next reading. Thank you.